How to find and change screen DPI in Linux. Hello guys and welcome back to Delve Stack. In this video I'm going to show you how you can find and change screen DPI in Linux. So let's get started. So if your text or icons look too small or too big in Linux, it's time to check and adjust your DPI, and I'll show you exactly how. So first of all, you gotta click on show apps and you gotta search for settings. So once settings open right in front of you, you gotta head over to displays right over here. And now here you'll be able to see scale along with three options: 100%, 125%, and 133%. 133% is slightly larger. If you want to go back to 100%, that is the original settings, you gotta click on 100% and you gotta click on apply at the top right. And once you do so, they're gonna ask keep these display settings. You're gonna click on keep changes. And now you can see that the screen has gone back to smaller application. And that is basically how you can find and change your DPI settings. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.